Hi, this is Sose University. This is job opening for the technology software engineer for the ADP company. They are looking for the computer science qualified person with the experience of 3 to 5 years of experience. The second technology is Angular developer for the IOSys company, software limited, private limited. And the education required is BE, BTech in computer science or and 6+ years of experience and strong understanding of ASAP.NET, MVC, framework, Angular 7. And the third technology is software engineer for the OutSystems company, location is Bangalore. And the bachelor's degree or master's degree is a compulsory with the 2 to 5 years of experience is required. And the fourth technology is senior.NET lead for the JK Tech company, location is Bangalore. And the key responsibilities are provide technical leadership and guidance to the team and software developer, design and document application, architecture and solutions, mentor and train team members on the best practices and methodologies. And the fifth technology is principal software developer for the Ant Technology Inc. For the company Bangalore. And 10+ years of relevant experience and hands-on experience in .NET Core, and MVC, Web API, C Spark, and knowledge about solid principles and design patterns of ops, and experience in programming and usage of NUnit and MOQ is required. And the links will be given in the video description for these jobs that can apply that directly. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for more job details. Thank you.